alone, corn pork, fried in the man with fried breadfruit.
Yeah, man.
We have to roast it out here, so.
Yeah,
What I do?
Yeah, man. Cause a Jamaica Good Life, you know, so you have to show them. You see, it's at all costs, we must show them the good life, right? So your butter again, this butter, you don't worry about it, say too much for the heart.
Well, we have to die now.
Whoa.
At the end of the day, we have to enjoy each day and live it like the last. Don't get up with fear every day, because I gotta protect we.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Each day you get up, each morning not the rice.
Yeah.
You give thanks on the day. You understand?
You put on a shirt, man.
Each morning the rice.
Put on your shirt.
Too hot, man. Morning time.
Me not film you like that.
No, can't film that.
So put on the shirt when we get.
Yeah. This will come put out of it.
Yeah, each morning the rice.
Yeah.
You give God thanks on that day.
Mhm.
And you live that day like it's the last day you're gonna live.
Yeah, man.
By chewing up
Dogs
butter.
are hungry.
You just live happy.
Yeah, happy.
Like it's the last day you're
You
gonna
can't get
live.
up every day with fear, man. But
Yeah.
what is our killer? What is
Yeah.
healthy? You tell me what is healthy.
Mm-hmm.
Me ask the question, what is healthy?
What is healthy?
As a director, what is healthy as you see around?
The casket?
Don't touch the people them things, Soji. Me not know Soji. I wouldn't touch anything that's
Daddy, talk to me.
Wow.
What
No,
is
let-
healthy?
Health is knowledge.
What is healthy?
Let me-
Food, like food-wise.
So let me tell you what's healthy food. When you eat, let's say a pickle with your meat,
Yeah.
it helps the meat to digest. Okay, that's being healthy. You need a balanced diet and a low consumption of meat.
Yeah.
Meat actually activates the cancer. There's a film called Forks Over Knives that every Jamaican needs to watch. We're actually eating slave people food in Jamaica. When we were in Africa and when we were Zulus, we never ate meat. We never ate meat that much. It was for ceremonial purposes only. So we're more vegetarian than
When you
anything
get
else.
us here in Africa, we have to eat all the way.
I'm not gonna film you, I'm not hear you right now.
Okay.
So,
Until you put on your shirt.
so what happened to Jamaicans, you know? The amount of salt we take? Ignorance.
Okay.
Right? When you see people season them chicken and them are going crazy with the salt, total ignorance.
Okay.
Have to work with that, you know. We have weekly, we have.
Cause you know how much people
Yeah.
have high blood pressure in Jamaica.
Yeah.
So the salt intake already ignorant. You want our sugar? We use the brown sugar? We use too much. We're not supposed to really use sugar in a tea. Ignorance again. That's why you have fever grass, it's sweet.